Guys, it's your boy SGP, SoleGameProper, back at you one more time. You know how we do. Another quick video. What day is today? Wednesday. So today we got an eBay pickup and we got 2 in-store pickups. But hey, you know I ain't gonna hold you long. But remember, like, comment, subscribe, hit the little bell thingy. Follow me on social media at SoleGameProper. So let's get into it, guys. Let's do the in-store pickups first. Alright. So there's the box. Y'all see the tag. Orange Nike box. These are the Air Max Foamdomes. Varsity purple and black. Got these for a really good steal. You know, a lot of guys on the East Coast up north, you guys like these boots. I really like these boots because I'm originally from Detroit. You know, I be in the cold weather a lot. But got these at a clearance store. They were on sale for $60 plus 30% off, so it came out to like $44 when retail was $250. That's an insane deal to me. Let me know what you guys think in the comments if that was an insane deal. So, got the eggplant joints basically. Everything up here is the foam positive material. You got the leather all the way around. Air Max bottoms. Got the carbon fiber chunk. Black laces, air right there. So, man, I will tell you though, these boots are heavy as hell. This is my first pair I've gotten. I passed on a pair of the blue ones, but these boots are heavy as hell. Oh my god. You know what I'm saying? But I know they're gonna be waterproof. I know they're gonna be good for the winter. I know winter time is pretty much over now. There's a couple spots still up north getting slammed. But these are definitely going to come in handy next year. And you definitely can't beat it for $44. So, there you go. First pair. Eggplant Foamdomes. Second pair, because they had them. I'll show you the box first. Show you the box. So you guys know you like the style codes and all that type of stuff. So there you go. So we got the back pair. They had the black pair and the purple pair, or the eggplant pair. So we went ahead and got both. $44 a piece. I'm not gonna go through talking about it. You guys just seen it. So give you a couple shots of it. And these were DS too. So DS with the box. Man, you can't beat that for $44. I was thinking about flipping them back out, but man, like, I'm gonna need these next year. So, alright, let's get on to the eBay pickup. But you know I rocks with eBay. You know, I take the chance. Because for me, a lot of the times it's the thrill of the hunt, just to see if you get something worth what you paid for. This one came out of Oklahoma City. Or Oklahoma area. Got the bubble wrap. Did a good job packaging it. See the box. So you already know what they are. Check the style code on them. Lebron 8V2s. Size 10. Ooh, dang. Can't be dropping them. But Lebron 8V2 lows. Black Anthracite. This is a color that I hadn't seen before. You guys see in the background, 8s are one of my favorite models of bronze. but I hadn't seen this colorway before. I've seen the high tops, haven't seen the low tops. I think I picked these up for somewhere around 150, 160 shipped. So, of course, full length zoom on the bottom, all blacked out. Got the netting. Is that may be, yeah, it's leather, plastic, leather with the lion head. Yeah, these are still really clean. If they warm, they didn't wear them a lot. So, get you a shot of the other one. A little bit of fuzz. So these will fit right into the collection, guys. A little bit different than the black highs. I guess it's a little bit redundant to have black highs and the black lows, but it's just the subtle differences. Version 1s are cool, but I prefer the version 2s. I don't have any of the version 3s, so, or the PSs. But yeah, so that's what we got today, guys. Let me know where I messed up in the comments. Let me know if you like the content that I'm putting out, and check for more content in the future, guys. And we out, man.